this video, we will review the specification and all the features of Samsung S20 FE, which is also known as Samsung S20 Fan Edition. However, before we start, it is important to understand why Samsung has launched this phone and who all are the real fan of this phone. The S20 Fan Edition's specifications are almost closer to S20, and the starting range of S20 is approx 65,000 in Indian market. And this phone is getting a strong competition from higher mid-range mobile phone like OnePlus, Asus and MI. To compete with this segment, Samsung launched S20 Fan Edition, which is a lighter version of S20 and really for those who are looking for an alternative in this segment. Hey, it's Nikhil here from Technist, where I help you to amplify your tech knowledge. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for all future updates. Now coming to the device, first we will look into the form factor of this device. There are definite similarities with the Galaxy S20 and the Galaxy Note 20 series in terms of look and feel, particularly the shape of the rear camera module and the way each camera lens is highlighted. The display does not have curved edges, which a lot of people will like, but the sides and rear are rounded comfortably. The rear panel is made up of polycarbonate. It does not feel plasticky at all. The matte texture is not slippery and seems quite resistant to smudges and fingerprints. The camera bump looks like a candy bar and it is available in wide range of 6 different colors as well. Overall, you will see a design well like a current Samsung A series of phones. This phone features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity O display with a 20:9 aspect ratio and 120Hz refresh rate. A Corning Gorilla Glass 3 panel also to protect the display. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE has an octa-core Exynos 990 chipset paired with 8GB of RAM for India. However, the global variant of this phone comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. And Samsung will launch the 4G variant of S20 FE in India. You will also get 3 variants in the market, whereas 128GB internal storage is paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM, and another is 8GB of RAM paired with 256GB of internal storage. You will also get a microSD slot to extend the memory as well. For photos and videos, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE has fluenced their triple camera setup that carries a 12-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel secondary sensor with an ultra-wide angle which cover almost 123 degrees of area, and an 8-megapixel telephoto shooter. This phone can deliver up to 30x hybrid zoom, for which Samsung uses its super zoom name. The front camera has a 32-megapixel resolution, which also sets this phone apart from the Galaxy S20 with its 10-megapixel front camera. You will also get an improved camera software with enhanced night mode. Overall, a good camera setup where both front and rear setup are capable to shoot the video up to 4K 60 frames per second. It also has a stereo speaker, which means you can explore good stereo sound experience from this device. Speaking of fingerprints, the under-display fingerprint reader is an optical one, which is slightly faster than the ultrasonic one of the S20 flagship. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE comes with an IP68 rated build and packed with a 45,000 mAh battery, which is same as the S20 Plus. As far as charging is concerned, it will come with Samsung 15W 2.0 kick charger, which is not really up to the standard when compared to the charger offered by their competitor. With them, you will get a better charger, which is more than 35W. Now with respect to operating system, this phone has Android 10 with Samsung One UI version 2.5, where you have tons of additional features from navigation gesture to dark mode, and in this UI you will get improved wireless DeX mode and made Wi-Fi connectivity a little bit smarter, and soon it will get an Android 11 update too. Overall, with the Samsung S20 FE, you are getting a larger display, a big battery, a flagship chipset and a good camera setup when we talk about these specs. Now this phone is getting launched at the same time when OnePlus 8T will launch, and also the price of S20 is expected to be reduced in this festive season, and this phone will get bigger competition from his big brothers S20 as well as from OnePlus. So this is all about S20 FE. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and provide your comment, which will help you to connect you guys better. I will see you guys in my next video. For now, it's Nikhil signing off. Till then, be safe and stay digitally connected.